At first glance, tractors and cars might seem similar. They both have engines, wheels, and get you from one place to another, but their purposes are quite different. Tractors are built for power, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks like plowing fields, hauling equipment, and navigating rough terrain. They're slow but strong. On the other hand, cars are designed for speed and comfort, made for smooth roads and everyday transportation. They're faster and more efficient on highways. So while a car gets you to your destination quickly, a tractor gets the hard work done. Different tools for different jobs, each essential in its own way.